In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Facebook ads account. This process is pretty straightforward and should take about 5 minutes of your time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in Facebook Ads Manager into the search bar. Once your results appear, click on the link that directs you to the Ads Manager page. It's the main hub where all the magic of ad managing happens, and getting familiar with this space is key to successfully running your campaigns. Next, you'll see an option to go to Ads Manager. Clicking this will direct you to the login page. If you're not already logged into your Facebook account, you will need to enter your email address and password. Take a moment here to ensure that your credentials are not only correct, but also secure. If you experience any issues logging in, it's always wise to reset your password or contact Facebook support for assistance. After entering your credentials, simply click on the Login button. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed to the campaigns dashboard. This is where you can manage all of your advertising campaigns. But before we dive into campaign management, let's take care of the verification process. Locate the All Tools option in the Ads Manager interface. Clicking on All Tools will unveil a host of options and settings designed to manage and customize your ad campaigns to suit your business needs. From here, select Business Settings. This section is crucial as it houses many important settings related to your business account. In Business Settings, look for the Security Center. This area is essential for managing verifications and ensuring your account's security. Once in the Security Center, you'll have a clear view of whether your account is eligible for verification. Facebook requires certain criteria to be met before verification, and you can see these requirements laid out for you. In cases where your account is eligible, Meta, Facebook's parent company, will ask you to provide specific documentation. This could include business licenses or identification documents, so be sure to have these on hand. Each document should be clear and legible to streamline the verification process and avoid any unnecessary delays. Once everything is in order, submit the required documentation as instructed. That's it. With these steps, you've initiated the process to verify your Facebook ads account. Verification is crucial for earning trust and credibility. Once verified, you can confidently manage and optimize your ad campaigns, knowing you have the necessary endorsements from the platform. Remember, persistence is key, and if any issues arise, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your campaigns.